Shruti, and I have been loving this minimal, clean girl makeup look sort of a thing, especially in the monsoons. For me, this is my go-to. This uses very minimal products, gives this effortless, chic look. This is perfect for the time wherein you want to look really put together but don't want to invest a lot of time. So if you want to know how to get this look, please keep watching. I have freshly washed my face and I've also spritzed some toner. Now I'm going in with the Derma Translake Serum. I have mentioned this in my last YouTube Shorts video also. This has been a savior for my hyperpigmentation. It has two actives, which is 3% tranexamic acid and 10% azelaic acid. The tranexamic acid is renowned for its skin brightening properties and it's very effective in reducing hyperpigmentation and melasma. And azelaic acid is a gentle yet effective exfoliant that targets blemishes, and it also minimizes redness, acne marks and anything of that sort. And it also has alpha-arbutin, which we all know helps brighten your complexion. So these three actives together are amazing and have given me amazing results. After I'm done with this, I follow it up with a gel-based moisturizer. I find that it is the best for, us oily skin girlies. And we cannot miss the sunscreen, so I'm going in with the Derma Hyaluronic Long-Lasting Sunscreen. This has SPF 50 PA++++ and is one of India's first sunscreen to give this long and extended use. It is super lightweight, does not leave a white cast, and it gets absorbed into my skin within seconds. It's also sweat-proof and water-resistant, which is especially a boon for us in the monsoons. The Derma has empowered 20,000 plus students this year with their Young Scientists initiative. Every time you buy from them, they will link your order to a child that they help educate along with the Bhumi Foundation. This honestly is also an added incentive for me to support this brand. Plus, all products by Derma are fragrance free. You can use my code Shruti2024 to get 20% off the Derma website, and both of these products are highly recommended by me. So check it out. Now that my skin is prepped, we'll start with the makeup. First, I'm going in with the e.l.f. Halo Glow. This really helps with giving me that beautiful glowy base for any foundation. Though I'm not going to be using foundation today, this gives that perfect tint that I love in the monsoons. Then I'm going in with this concealer. I love the way that this concealer sits on my face. It is so high coverage and this will literally hide the darkest parts of my soul. That is how good this concealer is. And once I'm done with that, I like smoothing it all out first with a brush and then with a beauty blender. I love using this blush stick. It is dewy and glowy and not oily, which I love. Especially for oily skin, I feel this gives that beautiful radiant lit from within glow. Then I like to brighten my under eyes slightly with a brightening concealer. I don't necessarily do this all the time, but this I feel just a little bit of it gives a very good result overall later on. Then to set all of this, I use a little bit of translucent powder. I actually set my entire face with this, but definitely my under eyes with this powder puff, which has been my absolute favorite. Then I also like going in with a powder blush. I love the luminosity that this pink one has. It is such a treat. Like when I wear it, you honestly don't even need a highlighter after this, but I'm extra. But you could just totally skip the highlighter if you want, if you're wearing this blush. A lot of times I usually just skip eyeshadow altogether, especially when I'm doing a look like this. I just go in straight to the mascara. I nicely curl my lashes and give like at least 2 good healthy coats of mascara, because I feel like it just makes your eyes look open and wide-eyed and beautiful without putting in much effort. I am a highlighter ho, so I like layering my highlighter. So I'm going in with the cream highlighter in this palette and then topping it off with the powder highlight. Oh my god, you can see how stunning and goddess-like glow this gives. I mean, I don't have to tell you this. I mean, highlighter on brown skin is just magic. It is literal magic. So if you're a brown skin girly, do not skip your highlighter, honestly. Once I'm done with that, I move on to lips, and this has been my go-to lip combo. I like lining my lips with a dark brown lip liner, and then I go in with a muted nude liquid lipstick just to kind of give my lips that pouty feel. And I'm using this Maybelline Lifter Gloss. Oh my god, this is such a great dupe for the Fenty Beauty one. It is just giving me juicy and I am here for it. So yeah, I think that is it. This is the finished look. I love how effortless, simple, glowy and dewy this looks. I love looks in which the skin kind of takes prominence, which is how I like wearing makeup these days. So I feel like here the star of the show is your beautiful skin, and for beautiful skin you need to have good skincare routine. So definitely check out the Derma products that I will list down below in the description. And yeah, subscribe to my channel. Subscribe to my channel if you already haven't, and hit that notification bell to be notified every time Mwah makes a video. And like I always say, keep it bossy. Mwah.